been searching, follow every step, every road, every single trace.
Today we're going to be looking at the Samsung wireless charger. Have you ever wondered what's inside of this thing? So let's take this one apart and see what we can find. Okay, so a lot of the new items these days have hidden screws or hidden clips that you can't find. So, and I'm pretty sure on this one it's probably under this piece of rubber here. So let's see if we can peel it. And what do you know? There they are. So this is just an adhesive. All right, so we got Phillips 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. So let's pop those off. All right. Would you look at that? On this side, we just have a cover, nothing too special, plastic. And what looks like to be in here is a coil. So it appears to have the circuit board underneath this. Alright, so this piece just popped right off. And here we see the circuit board with the drivers probably all in here that power this coil here. So here's the micro USB input where you would plug in your USB. Alright, so there's not much on the other side. So as you can see guys, it's a pretty simple device. You just have your main board here, 2 wires that are soldered, and then it goes to this coil. And now for the fun part, let's plug it in and see if it works just like this, open into the charger. So I'm gonna lay my phone down onto the charger. And there it goes. Pretty cool. And there's blue lights glowing right here. You can technically buy a charger like this and then take this apart, put this somewhere, anywhere you want. There are many unique things that you can do with this to have a charger in just about anywhere. Anyways guys, hope this video was interesting. If you have any ideas of what you would like to see taken apart, please comment below. Stay tuned for more videos coming up. And if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to see more.